I'm Kevin with Lombard Equipment, and with me today, my assistant who will be assisting us is Duke, the amazing German Shepherd, and we have Dave, he likes to be called Dynamic Dave, but I like to refer to him as Dave, Dynamic Dave, and he'll be doing the actual welding. We want to show you today this is a reconditioned Sabor welder. Actually, Carbench is the brand. You know, if you know anything, Carbench has been around for a long time, and they have a ton of OEM approvals. This is a silicon bronze and aluminum welder. It'll also, too, it comes equipped with a steel torch, so it'll do 3 metals. And if you don't have a silicon bronze welder and a pulse welder in your shop, you should definitely get one. And in fact, actually, this is a double pulse, which is what a lot of the OEMs want. Very simple to use with the pulse technology. I'm going to have Dave just lay a little beat down with the aluminum. So we'll start with the aluminum. We simply turn the welder on. We've already got our tank turned on. If you notice, this has a very nice long lead compared to a lot of the companies that make aluminum welders. Welds nice, and obviously you have a nice little burn back on the back, nice little silhouette of the penetration. And Dave was a technician for years, but he's been in management now for years, so I don't know whether he'd consider himself a great welder. He's welded before, but like I said, he's been in management for years, and most of these welders that are out now today have auto pulse, and they're very, auto weld, and they're pulse welders that are pretty easy to use. Which is very, very popular for the collision repair industry. So now we're going to go to silicon bronze. Simply switch a button, grab the trigger, and this is popular for doing. This is an open butt weld with no backer, and this is what a lot of times the OEs will call for the repair. And the thing with silicon bronze, it welds at a lot lower heat. It's 93% copper and I believe 7% silicon, and it welds with reduced heat, less distortion, less damage to the panel. Good, they do really well. See that's the weld. That's the butt weld that show the backside, and that's actually called. Can I see the brush? That's actually called a capillary. So what happens? That'll be on the back of the panel. So as we ground this smooth, we still have the backside holding that, and that's why it's such a nice quality repair when you do it that way. And that's why a lot of times that's what's called for in the repair procedures, which is what the technician should be following. This is an $8,000 welder. It works great, very, very clean. $34.95. If you don't have a pulse welder, aluminum, silicon bronze, you need to get this. You need to buy a welder. Check it out. It's great. Again, Kevin, Lombard Equipment, Dave, and Duke. Thanks.